So, hello everyone. Did you know about life cycle assessment of carbonate drink bottle? So, firstly, did you know that bottled water is a fast-growing industry with consumption reaching a record in height in 2015 with 11.7 gallons. So, as the industry grows, however, it raises increasing concern over resource on the negative impacts to the ecological system. Life cycle assessment of carbonate drinking bottle. First, the raw material. Next, manufacturing, packaging, distribution, consumer use, and lastly, end of life. Let's take a deeper look in each part of the life cycle in drinking bottle. So first, the material. The plastic bottles made from a petroleum product such as polyethylene and terephthalate (PET). So next, it will heat treated and it blow into the molding to follow the bottle shapes. So the third one is packaging. Then it will fill with carbonated drinks and then packet and label. And then it's ready to distribution and sent to the store market to sell to consumer. So fifth part, consumer use. It's including benefits and certificates to consumer to consume the drink. And the last one is end of life. Either after it being used, it is being recycled or it is disposed at the landfill. So next, take a look at life cycle impact assessment to the environment. So what are the impact? Firstly, at the production. During the production, the extraction of fossil fuel to produce plastic is an emission-intensive process. It is contributed to global warming. The production of plastic bottle involves refining fossil fuel to extract useful chemicals. This refining process releases greenhouse gas into the atmosphere and it is dangerous for our surrounding and air. So next, end of life. As we know, plastic bottles made from PET. PET is durable, but durability is one of its problems. It takes 450 years before it completely disintegrates because of its resistance to degradation. So landfills are not infinite, can fill up quickly if we continue to send large volume of PET, just like plastic bottles. So the pollution that PET made. About 8 million tons of plastic enter the oceans yearly, killing more than 1.1 million seabirds and animals. So, the consumed water end up being a trash. As this plastic degrades, they break down into microplastic that produce toxics that can endanger marine life. As all about the impact that we talk about, how to reduce it and keep the environment safe. So, firstly, the raw material. We must use non-toxic raw material to produce the carbonate drink bottle, such as glass or other else. Next, manufacturing. We must use renewable energy resources to produce the bottle, such as we use solar to generate the machine at the production line. So the third one is packaging. We must use biodegradable packaging or that can be reused or recycled, such as hard plastic or box that can be used in several times. The fourth one is distribution. We must use larger transportation that can deliver large amount at once, or other else we must use hybrid or electric transportation. The fifth one is consumer use. We must raise the public awareness to buy recyclable bottle instead of plastic to reduce the waste. So next, for the last one, end of life. We must reuse and recycle the bottle, or the consumer can return the bottle to manufacturers to remanufacturing and refill and reuse back the bottle such as glass and then sell it. So lastly, plastic water bottles, much like Plastic bags may seem useful in everyday life, but environmental impact they produce is unsustainable. The large amount of plastic bottles we send to landfill and ocean has become a burden in our environment. Lastly, we must find alternate to plastic bottle water or increase the rate of bottles that can be recycled. We must stop sending several million barrels of oil to landfill as water bottles. That's all. Thank you.